Okay, this is a shoreline black plastic durable 30 degrees flush mount rod holder, and this one is broken, so I'm replacing it with this one. And this is the old one that's broken. You can see it came right out, and you can see this is the old broken one. Okay. So you have to replace it with this black, and this is the old one. It's broken on the side. Okay, this is my old one, and everything is fine. It's just it's broken away on the side, and this is the new one, and it's longer. You can see. I hope it will fit. It's a 30 degrees raw holder, and this flush mount. As you can see here, plastic, 30 degrees in. Okay, you can see that white color one broke away, so I'm installing this black one. Why black one instead of white? Just because it's cheaper. Black one. Instead of the white one. Hopefully it will fit. This is the last and this rod holder was broken when my camera mount was knocked by the huge waves. So I'm buying this replacement. It's a 30 degrees angle boat rod mount. So it's a little bit longer, so I had to dig down a little bit. But other than that, it fits perfectly. Okay. You can see this one is nice and deep versus this one that was broken off already. So this may, and here's crack. Here's crack too. So this one needs to be repaired as well. But I'm not going to do anything until it's